Ever wondered what habits people with high testosterone levels have in common? Testosterone, a hormone crucial for both men and women, plays a vital role in a myriad of bodily functions. But what's interesting is that people with high testosterone levels often share certain habits. From adding a Zing to their meals, piling on the protein, going fish, introducing more magnesium in their diet to ordering oysters, picking pomegranate, dieting down, backing off the beer, using glass over plastic, building strength, and getting enough sleep. Stay tuned as we delve into each of these habits and the science behind them. Before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Spice up your meals. Yes, you heard it right. It's time to embrace the humble onion and the pungent garlic. These kitchen staples do more than just add flavor. According to a study by the National Center for Biotechnology Information, they can also give your testosterone levels a natural boost. Onions enhance the production of luteinizing hormone, which stimulates testosterone production in the testes. And garlic? It's high in a compound called allicin, which can be beneficial for testosterone levels. So don't hesitate to add a little zing to your meals. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels. The European Journal of Endocrinology highlights the importance of lean protein for testosterone. It's not about consuming enormous amounts of protein, but about incorporating the right kind, think chicken, turkey, eggs, and fish, into your daily diet. So the next time you're planning your meals, don't shy away from the protein. Remember, protein is your friend when it comes to testosterone. It's time to go fishing. Metaphorically speaking, there's a sea of benefits swimming in fish, particularly those rich in vitamin D, a key player in testosterone production. According to a study published in Hormone and Metabolic Research, there's a solid connection between vitamin D and testosterone levels. The findings suggest that a diet abundant in vitamin D can help keep your testosterone levels in check. So, make sure to reel in those fish for a testosterone boost. Magnesium might be more important than you think. This mighty mineral plays a crucial role in our body's biochemical reactions, including hormone regulation. According to a study published in the International Journal of Endocrinology, magnesium-rich foods such as spinach can support healthy testosterone levels. It's not just about pumping iron, but also about loading up on magnesium. So aim for more magnesium in your diet. Ever considered oysters for dinner? Now you might want to. These odd-looking shellfish are a powerhouse of zinc, a vital mineral that has a significant role in the production of testosterone. According to a study published in the Journal of Reproduction and Infertility, zinc deficiency can negatively impact testosterone levels. So, incorporating oysters into your diet could be a natural and delicious way to keep your testosterone levels in check. Next time, think about ordering oysters. Pomegranates aren't just tasty, they're good for your testosterone too. These ruby red fruits are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that are proven to boost testosterone levels. A study from Endocrine Abstracts even found that men who drank pomegranate juice for 2 weeks saw a significant increase in their testosterone levels. This is due to the pomegranate's high concentration of polyphenols, which stimulate the body's production of testosterone. So pick pomegranates for a testosterone boost. It's not just about what you eat, but how much. As the saying goes, too much of a good thing can be bad. This rings true for our diet as well. Balancing your food intake and maintaining a healthy weight are crucial for maintaining optimal testosterone levels. According to a study in Obesity Reviews, excess weight can lower testosterone levels. So, it's essential to keep your weight in check, not just for your waistline, but for your testosterone too. Remember, dieting down can help testosterone levels. While a beer might seem tempting, it could be hindering your testosterone. Let's talk about why. According to a study published in the journal Alcohol and Alcoholism, excessive alcohol consumption can lower testosterone levels. You see, alcohol affects the endocrine system, causing your testes to stop producing the hormone. The more you drink, the more you disrupt your testosterone balance. It's not about total abstinence, but moderation. So, next time you reach for that extra bottle, remember your testosterone. So consider backing off the beer. Plastic isn't fantastic when it comes to testosterone. Now you might be wondering, what's the connection? Well, it's all about a sneaky chemical called BPA, commonly found in plastic. According to environmental health perspectives, BPA can negatively impact your testosterone levels. How? By mimicking estrogen, the female hormone, and disrupting the natural balance in our bodies. It's like a wolf in sheep's clothing, folks. So, the next time you reach for a water bottle or store your food, think twice, so choose glass over plastic. Strength training isn't just for muscles, it's for testosterone too. Regular and consistent strength training exercises can have a significant impact on your testosterone levels. According to the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, lifting heavy weights and short, intense exercises can stimulate testosterone production. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. So, whether you're lifting weights, doing push-ups or squats, you're not only building muscle but also potentially boosting your testosterone levels. Remember, building strength can boost your testosterone. Sleep isn't just for dreams, it's vital for your testosterone. Research published in the Journal of the American Medical Association has emphasized the importance of getting adequate sleep in maintaining healthy testosterone levels. When we deprive ourselves of sleep, our bodies aren't able to fully regenerate, and this can lead to a drop in testosterone. It's not just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. So whether you're a night owl or an early bird, make sure you're giving your body the rest it needs. So, make sure you're catching enough ZZZs. That wraps up our journey through the habits of people with high testosterone levels. We've delved into the significance of adding Zing to your meals, piling on the protein, and going fish. We've explored the benefits of more magnesium, ordering oysters, and picking pomegranate. We've discussed the importance of dieting down, backing off the beer, using glass, not plastic, building your strength, and getting enough Zs. All these habits play a crucial role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels. If you found this video useful, drop a comment below. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to know the 7 best foods to build muscle, watch the video on your screen next. And don't forget to use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart your fitness journey. This tool is designed to assist you in tracking your dietary intake and ensuring you're getting the right balance of nutrients to meet your health goals. Use it to tailor your diet plans and monitor your progress. It's a fantastic resource for anyone looking to take control of their health through nutrition. So be sure to check it out and start optimizing your diet today.